What? I have to talk? Or what? Look. Roof. Behind us. Yeah, roof. Right.
Love your dream if they don't. And please cheer up, because we are not alone. Because we are alive. Because we are still singing. Because we have to speak up our thoughts. When we grow old and forget who we used to be, listen to your inner child and follow your dreams.
Hello. We are doing the gravel things.
Yes.
Moving the gravel to the balconia, making the balconia.
Yes.
Okay. It's my turn up, Benjamin's turn.
Daily routine. Sleep, wake up, pee, tea, gravel.
And then 2 o'clock lunch, no breakfast, only tea breakfast. And at night 9 o'clock dinner. Okay, and go to sleep. Hurry up!
Yeah, hello, I'm Benjamin. I'm a volunteer from Volunteer Nepal, and I had project here in Kabia school, and it's very great. I'm from Germany. Hello, I'm Benjamin from Helpibri, and I'm a cooperation partner from Volunteer Nepal. Before 2 years, I went to this place and had some great projects and great experience, and right now we are here again to build a basketball court place stuff, and yeah.
Namaste and hello, my name is Bhagwan and I'm from Nepal.
Again.
So we are sending the volunteer in the school, in a lot of school in Nepal, you know. There's different kinds of different cities like Kathmandu, Pokhara, Chitwan and other more. And also doing the animal care volunteers and agriculture volunteers. That's the point. One more thing. So we are building the base camp for the volunteers who is coming in Chitwan and working in the agriculture, working in the school, working in the animal care. So we give warm welcome to our volunteers to stay in our base camp. Yeah. Look. Nice shift.
Without any answer.
You are one man army.
I'm Helpibri Army.